How to lock Snapchat application. So if you want to lock your Snapchat application, then first let's open up settings on our device and then scroll down, and here you can go for security. And once you open your security, you can scroll down, and here you will have privacy and app encryption. Tap on that, and you need to enter your PIN or your fingerprint. And once you've opened, here you will have app encryption. Tap on that, and here you need to simply turn on the button under Snapchat. So go for the right side and simply toggle on that button, and once you've turned that on, now you can remove that settings and you can try to open up your Snapchat now. So if you try to open your Snapchat, here it says that you need to enter your fingerprint or you need to enter the password. So you can simply enter your password, and that's it. Now your Snapchat has been opened. So that's how you keep a lock on Snapchat application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.